Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. 2011 100-meter world champion Yohan Blake has withdrawn from Saturday's Shanghai Diamond League meet in China due to a hamstring injury. Blake logged 10.43 seconds to finish ninth in last Saturday's opener at the Jamaican Diamond League meet, also in China. Blake's withdrawal means only national champion Rowan Watson and 2024 60-meter world indoor bronze medalist Akeem Blake will be the Jamaicans in the event on Saturday. 8 other Jamaicans will be involved at the meet, including Olympic gold medalist in the 110-meter hurdles, Hansel Parchment. World champion Daniel Williams and Megan Tapper will line up in the women's sprint hurdles, while 2019 world champion Tajay Gale and Kerry McLeod are down for the long jump. Stephanie Ann McPherson will compete in the women's 400 meters, Danielle Thomas Dodd in the shot put, and Christoph Bryan in the men's high jump. Despite Jamaica not being one of the host territories, the country's 8-time Olympic champion Usain Bolt was on Wednesday unveiled as an ambassador for the upcoming T20 World Cup to be held jointly in the Caribbean and the United States. As an ambassador, Bolt will play a key role in promoting the event, starting with a cameo appearance in next week's release of the event's official anthem music video, alongside iconic artists Sean Paul and Kez. The 8-time Olympic gold medalist will also attend T20 World Cup matches in the West Indies and be part of fan engagement events promoting the sport within the United States.
For me, that we will be excited. I think people is good for the exposure of cricket also into the US, and even the T20 now is going to be in the US also. So for me, it's good for the sport, you know what I mean, to let people see and to see the worldwide and how fun it is and how enjoyable and just how excited, you know what I mean, because at times it's just calculated moves, so it's going to be great.
Promising Jamaican youth batsman Jordan Johnson is among 15 players named in the West Indies Academy squad to tour Ireland in June. The Academy team will play 3 50-over matches and 2 4-day matches against Ireland's emerging men's team, which signifies a reciprocal tour following Ireland's visit to the West Indies in November 2023. The squad will be captained by Barbadian Neem Young, with Grenada's Teddy Bishop as his deputy. Johnson is the only Jamaican in the squad that also features Joel Andrew, who was part of a recent Under-19 World Cup team in South Africa. Kadeem Alain, Akeem August, Joshua Bishop, McKenny Clark, Joshua James, Leonardo Julian, Johan Lane, Ashmead Ned, Kevin Pittman, Ramon Simmons, and Colin Bowen Tuckett are the other members of the squad. The tour gets underway on June 8. And leaders Seaforth FC will be back in action in the Serge St. Thomas FA Major League today as the second round kicks off with a doubleheader at the York Sports Complex. Beaten in the mid-season final, Seaforth with 19 points take on 4th place Danvers Pen, who are on 9 points at 7 p.m. In the curtain raise at 5 p.m, it's the battle between Bath Sports Club and Elite SDC, who are 6th and 7th respectively. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamala.
Thank you, Usain. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.